Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to update Temu application on your mobile device. Whether you are using an Android or your iOS device, updating your Temu app is a crucial step so that you can get the latest version of Temu, which comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement. So in order to update your Temu app, open your App Store for your iPhone. If you are using Android, you can also open up your Google Play Store. In the search box, type in Temu and search. If there is an update available for the app on your particular device, you will be able to see the update button popping up. Simply tap on it in order to update your Temu application on your preferred mobile device. Wait for the update process to complete, which will take a couple of minutes, and then open the app with the latest release of Temu. So that's how you can easily update to the latest version of Temu application using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.